this that I do like this, which is, so the right hand is doing the 2 petal underhand in the inspin. Your hand here, so front, over the top to the back, over across the bottom to the front, over the top to the back, across the bottom front, over the top to the back, across the bottom front, over the top to the back, across the bottom front, over the top to the back, across the bottom front, over the top to the back. So for this one, you'd be like this. Your right hand is behind you in underhand. Your left hand, actually here, let's turn this way so you can see me. Your right hand is behind in underhand. Your left hand is in front in overhand. Then you're gonna bring your left one up in anti-spin and your right one down in inspin. Your left goes down in anti-spin while the right goes up in inspin. So the left goes up in anti-spin, right goes down in inspin, left goes down in inspin, right goes up in anti-spin. No, sorry, left, I said that wrong. Left is always anti-spin, right is always inspin. And one goes up while the other one goes down. And once you get it going from the front to the back, then you can try doing 1 time around.